Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super important tutorial, how to add your bank account in Amazon for refunds. If you ever return an item on Amazon, adding your bank account ensures your money comes back quickly and directly into your account. The process only takes a few minutes and I'll guide you step by step so you won't miss anything. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a key tip to avoid refund delays. Sign into your Amazon account. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. At the top right, click on Sign In. Enter your email address, click Continue, then type your password and sign in. Make sure you're logging into the same account where you want to receive your refunds. Navigate to Payments. Once you're logged in, hover over the Account and Lists menu near the top. From the drop-down, click Account. On the account page, look for the section labeled Payments. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods, including your refund bank details. Add your bank account. Inside the Payments section, click on Add a Payment Method. Here, choose Add a Personal Checking Account. Now you'll need to carefully enter your banking details, your bank's BIC or SWIFT code, your IBAN, the account holder's name exactly as it appears on the bank account. Double-check everything to avoid errors, since even a small mistake could delay your refund. Finalize the setup. After reviewing your details, click Add this checking account. Once confirmed, your bank account will be saved to your Amazon profile, and any eligible refunds will go straight into that account. And that's it. You've just added your bank account to Amazon for refunds in under 5 minutes. Now, every time you process a return, you'll get your money back faster and more securely. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want me to cover more Amazon tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.